I'm with Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio, and welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, what we have is a Frigidaire dishwasher that will not drain, and we can see all the water right there. The tools that we'll need to replace the pump are a common Phillips bit and a T20 Torx bit to remove the appears that the electronic control is not supplying power to the drain pump. So we're going to open it up and inspect the control, and we're going to remove all the bolts to do that. Combination of Torx bits and Phillips. So this also gives us access to our data sheet. So we're going to try and put it into a diagnostic mode by pressing the air dry and start cancel. How about the high temp and start cancel? So now it would run through some different steps, checking everything. We are going to try and advance it to the drain cycle, and you can advance it by pushing the start cancel button. And the third one is actually washing, which we can hear the motor going. And then 7 should be the drain, and it is definitely not draining, so we are going to continue and see if we can't find something restricting the drain pump. If there's nothing restricting the drain pump, we'll check for the proper voltage going to it, and we may need to replace the drain pump. Okay, so we are going to hook up our meter to the pump connector and check to see if the control is giving the right power. We have our meter set on AC volts, and we're going to press the high temp and cancel start button to get it into diagnostic mode. And then advance it to 7, and we can see that we are getting the correct voltage going to the pump, but the pump is not pumping, so we need to replace the drain pump. The pump is in the back, so we're just going to put the panel back on, and we do not need it removed for the pump. And we're going to put our tech sheet back in and replace this panel. There are 2 little grooves on the sides that line up. To get that in the right spot, and then push up to fully engage. Make sure that all the panels line up. We'll just put our screws back in. There's 2 Phillips screws, one on each side, and then the rest are the Torx bits. So once we get our Phillips ones back in, we'll switch to our Torx and install the rest of the panel. Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.